dude, I just texted Wes if it was cool if I could about my motor. Check it out. Yo, Wes, quick question, blah blah. It's already ready to be beat on. Damn.
Oh shit.
So actually, it's good, guys. I can actually be swinging the coupe.
Yeah.
See how that LSD locks up. Don't got the GoPro, but Nikita has his lovely new iPhone.
Bruh. Yeah, it has a wide angle lens, but it should be good, right? First time drifting yeah, first time. Let's see how it goes. Some light.
Slow throttle. Locks up right away. I was worried about the diff, but it seems to be locking cool. So.
What type of diff is it?
Came out of junkyard. E28, so it's like $80. So it's kind of like iffy. Feels kind of cool, but
damn. But it's good.
Think these people are down or what?
They have no idea what happened.
Am I gonna do that turn? But
that was hell long. You got it. Yup. What happened over there?
A little noisy. We found this really dope turn right over this hill that we're about to take. You guys might even recognize it from a video earlier before, but let's go hit that right now. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. I'm finally back with my camera. We were using Nikita's camera for the afternoon because I unfortunately forgot mine. But anyways, it was just a little short video. Hopefully you guys were entertained by it. I guess I'm gonna end it here now. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Till next time. Damn, I always forget to say this one. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos if you enjoyed it. Thanks guys.